Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best electric wheelchair that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Karman VIP-515-18 20 inches wheelchair. The Karman VIP-515-18 offers fantastic comfort and stability. It is made from T6 aircraft-grade aluminum materials, making it ultra-lightweight and durable. It has a weight capacity of 250 pounds, and it weighs about 38 pounds, thus, it can be easily carried anywhere the user wants. The wheelchair will redistribute pressure on the lower back to prevent skin breakdown and pressure sores. It is a perfect wheelchair for users who require comfort and versatility. Ideally, this wheelchair is foldable for convenient and easy storage. Moreover, the chair is equipped with Aegis-bonded barrier upholstery that protects from staining, odor, and deterioration from fungus, bacteria, and other microorganisms. To conclude, the flip-back armrests are height adjustable to provide optimum comfort. At number 4. LJMGD Electric Wheelchair Heavy Duty. LJMGD Electric Wheelchair is durable and super lightweight. It is designed with outstanding and highly authentic features. Ideally, the wheelchair is made of a rugged carbon steel frame, making it sturdy and can bear maximum weight capacity of 330 pounds. In addition to that, you can fold it in less than 5 seconds into a compact size, allowing you to load it into your vehicle quickly. Moreover, it is equipped with quiet and powerful 500W double motors as well as 12 Li-ion battery packs that will enable you to run around 10 to 15 kilometers per a single charge. Something else, you can use this wheelchair manually when the battery power is low. With its 360 degrees interference, intelligent joystick which can be placed on either right or left side, you can efficiently operate this wheelchair with more comfort. Besides that, the armrests can be lifted for you to get on and off easily. At number 3. Hoveround Motorized Powerchair Electric Wheelchair. This is a versatile chair that is specially made for disabled or senior citizens. It features reclining captain seat for unmatched support and comfort. What's more, the wheelchair is designed for everyday use, and you can easily pull it into bathrooms and bedrooms, to the dinner table, and navigating tight spaces inside or outside your house. Subsequently, the wheelchair has padded armrests and a custom contoured inner spring seat. One great thing about this wheelchair is that it has a compact design and round base for narrow maneuvering and turns. Moreover, its soft-touch joystick will easily control the wheelchair without cumbersome handlebars. The wheelchair has the 300-pound capacity, and it is equipped with dual 12-volt batteries. At number 2. Alton Medical Folding Lightweight Electric Wheelchairs. This electric wheelchairs by Alton Medical can be folded and transported from one place to another. This wheelchair is FDA approved, so it is safe to use, and it's approved for airplane travel. In addition to that, this wheelchair usually folds up in 5 seconds, and it is going to fit most trucks. The backrest and seat cushion can be removed for stress-free cleaning. What's more, this product is made of aircraft alloy carbon steel which makes it durable and lightweight. The wheelchair is equipped with 360 degrees universal intelligent joystick that allows smooth operation. Also, it has an anti-leaning back design making the wheelchair more stable. Overall, this compact electric wheelchair boasts a long driving range and comes with 30 days money-back guarantee. At number 1. Bangeran Ultra Lightweight Folding Motorized Wheelchair. If you are searching for an ultra-lightweight product with advanced features, look no further than Bangeran Motorized Wheelchair. It is a portable electric wheelchair that has aluminum alloy frame construction making it durable and lighter. The wheelchair only weighs 40 pounds and it can hold the weight of up to 265 pounds. In addition to that, it is equipped with a high-quality lithium battery that gets up to 12 miles driving distance. Ideally, this wheelchair is easy and convenient for aviation travel. It is also an FDA-approved wheelchair. The unit has an intelligent joystick that allows you to operate the wheelchair efficiently. Subsequently, it is perfect for cruise and airplane traveling needs and comes with a lifetime quality assurance. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.